Hi, my name is Ivana and I'm one of the co-founders of AuthoredUp. I'm going to show you how to use analytics now. So when you open AuthoredUp, analytics is in this tab. You can pick the date range that you want to compare. For example, let's see, last 90 days. I can also set whether I want to compare it with the previous period, yes or no. I can filter by post types, filter by tags. And when I click show timelines, it will show me how my content was performing. It is pretty good if you're creating any kind of a report. Not only I can see total, I can also see average metrics and I can see median. When I go down, I have my growth timeline and it shows me every post that was posted in this specific period. When I click on the post is highlighted here and I can see exactly which post influenced the most this graph. Obviously, it was this one. As you can see here, these are the post stats. I can also change the dimension, so maybe I'm interested more in impressions or in comments. As you can see, this post is outlier. If I want to compare it with some other post, I just move my mouse there. Then on the right side, you will see the second column and stats from that other post. That green post that is blinking here will also be shown here in a correlation plot, where basically you can put two different metrics and see whether and how they make sense to each other. So, for example, I'm interested whether shares are influencing impressions. I can set it here. As you can see here, obviously, it is very important to have a lot of shares to get a lot of impressions. Then there is an option to see my reaction timeline, basically all different types of reactions that my posts were getting. If I, for example, want to emphasize on something, I can just remove all of these and then see what happened with this one. Okay, then we have the word cloud. What does the word cloud says to you? Basically, it shows the typical words that you are using in the feed. And that is the association that other people have when they see your profile or your post. So if you're okay with these keywords, as I am, for example, then you're good to go. However, what can happen, and happens a lot, is that you are overusing some words or writing too much about specific topic that you are not really interested in to get the audience for. So that you can emphasize on some other keywords and topics and then change the association that other people have for your content. And the last thing, what you can see here are the post types. Obviously, I have only posted 3 post types. If you have 7, that's even better. But what I can do here is I can see what type of posts were bringing me the most comments. For impressions, still, for example, I'm getting a lot of impressions for polls. But if I change my date range, for example, for the past year, which is probably more important for this chart, I can see that image posts are the best posts for me, and then probably the text one. So those are the things that are the most important for your analytics. Your next step is basically to analyze which post influenced your impressions and growth the most, and do more of the same. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the feed.